Hi everyone, I'm Morning. Today we are going to talk about 7 different emotions that you can express in Korean. The first emotion we are going to talk about is 기뻐요. 기뻐요, which means happy or glad. You can use this expression to show your happiness or joy in various situations. For example, 시험에 합격해서 기뻐요. I'm happy because I passed the exam. And 손님이 많아서 기뻐요. I'm happy because there are a lot of customers. And next up is 행복해요. 행복해요, which is another way to say happy or delighted. The words 기뻐요 and 행복해요 both express positive emotions, but 기뻐요 is used to express temporary joy or pleasure about a specific event or situation. But 행복해요 is a more general word that describes a long-term state of happiness. For example, 한국에 살아서 행복해요. I'm happy because I live in Korea. And 결혼을 해서 행복해요. I'm happy because I got married. The third emotion is 신나요. 신나요, which means excited or thrilled. You can use this expression when you are excited about something such as a concert or a trip. For example, 놀이기구를 타니까 신나요. I'm excited because I rode a ride. Or 콘서트에 가서 신나요. I'm excited because I went to a concert. The fourth emotion is 슬퍼요. 슬퍼요, which means sad. You can use this expression when you are feeling down or upset. For example, 남자친구랑 헤어져서 슬퍼요. I'm sad because I broke up with my boyfriend. 강아지가 죽어서 슬퍼요. I'm sad because my dog died. Next is 짜증나요. 짜증나요, which means annoyed. You can use this expression when you're feeling irritated. For example, 너무 더워서 짜증나요. I'm annoyed because it's too hot. 시험이 어려워서 짜증나요. I'm annoyed because the exam is difficult. 짜증나요. And the sixth emotion is 화나요. 화나요, which means angry or mad. For example, 사기를 당해서 화나요. I'm angry because I was scammed. Or 누가 제 핸드폰을 훔쳐가서 화나요. I'm angry because someone stole my phone. And lastly, we have 창피해요. 창피해요, which means embarrassed or ashamed. For example, 노래를 못 불러서 창피해요. I'm embarrassed because I didn't sing well. And 길에서 넘어져서 창피해요. I'm embarrassed because I fell down on the street. So there are 7 different emotions that you can express in Korean. I hope this video is helpful and enjoyable. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!